Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl from in Ireland and today I'm doing unboxing. I have already done KnitCrate membership July unboxing, so check it out. I'll leave a link down below somewhere over here, so click and have a look. What you need to know about it, if you don't know, is it's a monthly subscription. You set up your account by buying a first month subscription, but I also noticed some of you on the screen I put up here, you have all the three options. You can buy straight away 6 months or a year, and obviously then every month is a little bit cheaper, so that's a good option. Obviously with the 1 month membership you can freeze your account before the first of every month. I think that's the rule. Double check with KnitCrate. So at that point, before the first, you may not know what the yarn is there, because KnitCrate showing and sending boxes around the 4th or the 7th of every month once they get payment, and they're sharing their lovely yarn on the social media. They're so cool, and they're sending me a box every month, so for you to use it, and I'm using them. I share the links down below what kind of things I knitted with KnitCrate yarn. I have been receiving these boxes for like over a year now, so definitely check it out. The last thing that I have knitted with KnitCrate yarn, that was artisan crates. Now they don't use in-house yarn, but they're collaborate with indie dyers, and I have designed this amazing shawl. I put a link down below and to the pattern if you want to grab. I love it so much. This is 100% wool, British wool. This yarn was from Artisan Crate. When I got it, I knew I'm going to play with it, because basically that's what I like to do with a KnitCrate yarn. Once I get it, the colors and the yarn, the blend inspires me, and I just play with it. And here I have something new. It's not done yet, so subscribe if you haven't done it, ring that bell, because what I also do, I do finish object videos, so whatever object I finish, I'll just talk about it. If you like to hear a bit about my experience and plays and the patterns, subscribe. These colors both were from the KnitCrate membership when we're getting 2 skeins, and they both were fingering, and I thought they would be lovely with this pattern. This is not my design, so I will keep it as a secret, not for too long. If you follow me on social media, you probably know, and if you follow this account, when I finish object video will be up soon. Okay, so let's stop rambling and mumbling and tell you that KnitCrate are not only generous to send me boxes, but they're also sharing 20% off when you use KnitCrate20, so check the link down below and direct you straight away. You can use that code if you want. If you don't be pressed to do it, or don't be pressured to do it. But what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to open it straight away because I can't wait to see what's inside. I got the color that I wanted. Okay, so what's over here? So first things first, we have a card. On the top of the card, you can see what kind of crate I got. So this is a KnitCrate membership. So I'm getting over here an inside house with this crate membership. I also received in-house, when I said inside, in-house yarn. And with this, I'm getting 2. I think this one is the most value for the things you're going to get, because the price for this crate is $24.99. Obviously, what I have noticed lately, maybe on the screen if I haven't showed you again, is that option that you can pay straight away for 6 months or a year, and that monthly payment is a little bit cheaper. So check it out. With this crate, we're going to get 2 skeins of yarn, 2 patterns. One is knitted and one is crocheted, so it's very open for everyone, which I love the most. And also shipping is over here for free, because in case you go on a KnitCrate yarn shop where it says yarn, if you buy separate yarns, you pay shipping. So overall, the value of this one is $63. 63, and you get that for $24.99. So what do we have over here? Also, we have 20% off for patterns. They're not included in the box, but the designer who designed patterns over here, it's sharing all the designs that this designer created. You can grab it for 20% too. So it's very cool to even check them out. Okay, let's start with patterns, shall we? Do you like yoga, or you wished you wanted to start? And if you know how to crochet, there is an option for you with those beautiful yoga socks. I would call them warmers because look at that. It's crochet. We have inflammation over here. So nice. And here are a lovely designer. But the 20% off that you have on the back of our lovely card, previous card, is this designer. And she's offering over here a knitting pattern, which is this beautiful cowl. And how many options we had. So on the screen I'm going to show you the colors. And what do you think, which one did I get? The yarn I got is, ta-da! Oh, I'm so happy. Ta-da! So as I told you, the last 2 months, which was May and June, we got this. And both of them are fingering weight yarn, 400 meters. The blend is different. One of them were superwash, the other one is not superwash. So I know I need to take care of it when I finish. With this, we do not have fingering over here. It's a little bit more thicker. And also this is it with the crate. Their weight of yarns. With KnitCrate membership, you will always get a finger weight yarn because that's the main thing with the KnitCrate, is to knit socks. Well, sometimes I cheat and I knit hats with it. These, you can go a little bit crazy and you can knit everything. Socks, cowls, hats. I think I'm going to do that with it. At least with one. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that is. And this in-house brand is called Knitology. Yuppie! The colorway is School Zone. And we have 100% superwash merino wool, which is worsted weight yarn. We have 180 yards, which is 164 meters. The yarn itself looks like this. We have those beautiful pinks, delicate pinks, red and blue and grey. And how does it look when I open it? Ta-da! Look at this. I'm not saying, should I say grey over here, but it's quite similar to grey but brown, red again. We have pink, blue, red, blue. I got two! What I like to do, and because KnitCrate supports a little bit this little corner of my internet, I like to put stuff into the giveaways or cows. So I'm going to leave links down below to cows that I'm hosting. The one is Knit a Hat cow, which is annual, so any hat you knit, you can enter that. It could be, I know it says knitting, but it's going to be knitting and crocheting. Then we have a second cow, which is knitting, crocheting, make along, so whatever you make with a beautiful yarn will count. So check it out. With this situation, we have a chatter thread so we can show what we're knitting, and we have a finished object thread, so please go and have fun. I think I posted the photos of the prizes so far that I've included, so if you're tempted to see what you may win if you take part, go down there. I have a third cow, go check it out too. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Have fun with KnitCrate. Bye! Follow me on Instagram to see what I'm going to make with this.